name is Lily and this is my sous chef,
Madison.
and we're going to be making grilled cheese sandwiches. What you need is bread, butter, and cheese, any kind of cheese. You take 2 slices of bread. And you want to get the butter on the outside because it's going to be golden. You want to get the butter facing on the outside, not on the inside, but they put paper in between. And then you eat on it whatever you like. You just take it over to the frying pan. Oops. Just let it go.
There you go. Perfect. If you guys want to start on the next ones, I'll watch these for you.
It takes like a couple minutes, and then so you gotta be patient.
How many people knew that you had to butter the outside of grilled cheese?
I didn't. I knew that you need butter.
How many people have made grilled cheese before at their house? Awesome. Good
Oh,
job.
definitely me last night. Ava?
The hands. You can.
Look at my
How is it, you guys?
Year. It's perfect. Good. Really good.
The cheese is just squished in our rubbery.
Is the butter that makes it golden?
Okay. We need 2 for the ones that are in the
Nazma and Abby aren't in here right now.
You just grab the one that you want, okay?
Hey,